In this video, I will show you how to see the outfit cost on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, we are going to need to install an extension. So what you want to do is open up a new tab, come across to Google and search for something called Roblox. Then what you want to do is click onto the top result. This also works if you're using Firefox, and what you want to do is basically install the extension onto your browser. Now once you've done this, what you can do is head back to Roblox, and what I'm going to do is just refresh the page. You're going to see a few things might have changed now, and what we can now do is use this to check the outfit cost. So for example, if I click onto my profile up here to be taken to my profile, you can see my outfit cost next to currently wearing is currently free. I'm not paying any Robux for any of my outfits. But for example, if we come down and click onto one of my connections, so let's click onto Adas, and we're going to go across to his profile, and if we come down, just give it a minute, and you can see at the moment that's currently free as well. But if we try someone else, for example, let's go for 8, let's give him a click to go to his profile, and you can see his outfit cost is 137 Robux. So it just takes a minute to calculate how much everything is, and you can find out the total outfit cost for that person. So that is how to see the outfit cost on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.